Hello, I am with Tracy, and what we're going to do here is show you how to log on to the online portal to be able to access your courses. So Tracy's going to share her screen. You will be getting links from the college to your login with your password and with your login details. It can often go into junk, so please do check your junk mail. But if you're having any problems, just email us. Okay, so Tracy has put in the web address, which is our website, functional-wellness.co.uk. And you can see here on the website that on the far right hand, there is a login button. So you can click on there. And you put in your email address and your password, which will be emailed to you. If you get your password, then you see the reminder at the bottom of the screen there. We sign in, and then Tracy has access to her library. So if she scrolls down, here are all of her courses. And if she goes into foundation coaching skills, she can resume course, press the button at the top where she's left off, or she can start again. You can rewatch the videos whenever you need to. So let's go into the first video.
Introduction.
Introduction, yeah. And the first lesson, each lesson often has a video, and if you scroll down a little bit, Tracy, you can see that it's written as well. You're welcome to leave us comments here or go on to Mighty Networks to ask us questions, because then you get the whole team. Wonderful. That is logging in and using the online portal.